Hi guys, welcome back in our YouTube channel. So today we will discuss about the English core subject of class 12th. So guys, listen carefully this video. First of us we read instruction. All questions are compulsory. The total number of questions will be asked equal to 40. Third, each question carries 1 mark. Four options are given. Select the correct option. And fifth point, no marks will be deducted for the wrong question. Moving ahead. So guys, here you have given a very simple and interesting passage for you. You have to read it carefully. Moving ahead. Languages. First question. Languages is a wonderful gift given to for whom? A man. So option number A will be correct answer of first question. Second, when rabbit see on enemy it bobs its tail up and down. Option number A is the correct answer of question second. Moving ahead. Question number third. A dog barks when stranger comes near. When a stranger comes near the dog starts bark. So option number B is the correct answer of question 3. Next question. No animal possesses the gift of. What gift of? Languages. So here is option number D correct. Fifth question say when when a bee sees food, it communicates to other bees by dancing. Option number B is the correct answer. In the passage, the word mean caution. Caution mean warn. Warn and caution is the correct option C. Also, you have to give us the second question, guys. You read it well before giving answer. So question number 7 to 12 is another passage. So question number 7, for the majority of people book reading is option number A an enjoyable intellectual exercise. Yeah, correct. Question number 8, books are helpful. What books are helpful? Reporting research result. Okay. Spreading progressive view on vital matters, it is also okay. So option number D will be the correct. All of the above given will be correct here. Question number 9, which of the following sentences is not true? So option number C will be the correct answer of this question. We already read above it on passage. So correct answer is C. Question number 10. How tell books contribute to mental and spiritual advancement? Okay. Physical advancement. Okay. So D will be the correct answer of question 10. Question number 11. The word. We have to find that same word which means ornamentally. So here option C will be the correct answer. Next question. Question number 12. Choose a suitable title for the passage. We have to choose a suitable title for our passage. A Sorry, human advancement will be the correct answer of question 12. Moving ahead, question number 13. In note making, notes are not written in sentences cannot possible. So option number C is the correct answer of this question. Question number 14. Notes should be. Notes should be sequential, yeah. Sensible, yeah. Legible and clear also. So option number D will be correct answer. Symbols are freely used in. Freely used in it. Only not making. We can use symbols. So option number D will be the correct answer of question 15. Question number 16. Notices in school and colleges contain certain announcement for whom? For students. Option number C is the correct answer. Question 17. A formal letter always starts with the sender address. So option number B will be the correct answer of question 17. Question number 18. Say letters to the editor written are written for newspaper purpose. Newspaper. Option number A is the correct answer. Question number 19. Which of the following can be added to make article writing interesting? Which make article making more interesting? Quotes, statics. So option number C will be correct answer. Both A and B option will be correct. Question number 20. While writing notices, the signature of the issuing authorities should be written at always bottom written. Option number A is the correct answer. Question number 21. What is the motive of writing a letter to the editors? Our motive to request him to give some space to your letter in him paper. Option number D is the correct answer of this question. Question number 22. How should an article be ended? With a suitable conclusion, always ended. Option number C is the correct answer of this question. Question 23. Who sat on the back benches of the last French class? The village elders sit. Option number C is the correct answer. Question 24. What did Hamel bring for his class on his last day in the school? Brings notebook. Option number B will be correct answer. Option B, that is option B. Question 25. Where was Sahib employed? At a tea stall. Sahib employed. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 26. Mukesh wants to become a motor mechanic. Where? By going to garage. So he going to garage. Option B will be correct answer of this question. Question 27. When Douglas regained consciousness, he. So option C will be correct answer. Shook and cried and didn't eat anything. Why did Douglas hire instructor? To overcome his fear of water and also wants to learn to swimming. Option D will be correct answer of question 28. When the poet looked at the mother again, she felt pang of her family act. Option number A is the correct answer of this question. Question 30. The poet compared her mother to late winter's moon compared. Option C will be correct answer. What did the face of children in the slum areas reflect? Lack of enthusiasm. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 32. How can visitors help the poor children? By fighting against the inequalities and injustice. So option number C will be correct answer. Pablo Neruda, 33 questions. Pablo Neruda wants to entire humanity to keep still. Option D will be correct answer. Who are described as enemies to each other in the story of the Tiger King, Bull and Tiger? Also, sorry, Bull and Tiger. Option number B. Question 35. Who wanted a photograph of himself holding the gun and standing over the tiger's carcass? The Durai. Option number E is the correct answer of this question. Question 36. In the poem Keeping Quiet, the poet asked to count 12. The name of the program that takes high school students to the end of the earth. So here we will go for option D, students on ice. Question 38. Gondwana existed roughly around 650 million ago. So option number D will be the correct answer of this question. Question number 39. Dr. Sadao went to America to learn for what surgery and medicines. Option number B will be the correct answer of question 39. And last question of this session is 40. All the servants in Sadao's household did not help in treating the soldier. So guys, here R is missing, so option number D the correct answer. So if you guys you enjoy watching our videos, don't forget to share around your loved one, and also you like, comment for your feedback. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind, Bharat.